ये हो गया, फिर देखो यहाँ पे शेयर आ गया।
वो मैं बोल रहा था कुछ प्रॉब्लम था इसमें।
वो नेट का ही प्रॉब्लम, नेट का ही प्रॉब्लम है, नेट की वजह से ऐसा होगा। ठीक है, अभी मैं एक काम करता हूँ यहाँ पे। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल जस्ट क्रिएट एनी फाइल ऑन दैट, द फाइल शेयर, so that will go to map drive also. Storage account, go to storage. So go to files. Just upload some files. I'll upload some files. Hmm. Okay, I will upload some file. Are you able to hear, right?
या
ये बीच में आवाज आ रही है कुछ कर कर। Okay, for example, what I will do, I'll keep some dumps. I'll just copy some files. Okay, so I have uploaded files. 1 2 3 4 files I uploaded. Okay, so that file should be also in here. See, it is file sharing basically. Okay, now we are going to do the next. Next thing is what exactly we are going to do. I will tell you. We are going to do now deploying Azure file sync service. Hmm? So for that, so Azure file sync. I will just click this one, Azure file sync. Just close this. Now I'll just push inside this. So I'll give you the name. So I'll say Azure file sync 1, or I can say Azure file sync 2019. 2019. Today's date is 11. It's not happening. Or I can say it's sync 2019 11. Taking the name. Use some name, right? Use the same name. After name, you can use demo sync 11111. Okay, demo sync. I'll say demo sync 111. Okay, demo sync 111 and existing resource group which I used before. What is that? That was I forgot the name, but I put the FS first. This one, file sync resource group. Okay, South India. Okay, this is the same location. Create. So you're deploying the sync, sync, Azure storage sync. So once you deploy the sync, so next thing is what we need to go to inside the sync, go to resource on that. There you will have a sync group. There you will have sync group. Okay. Now I can create a sync group. I'll just check the first registered server. So for that, I need to create 2 virtual machines. Getting my point? Huh?
So
Hello?
where actually this demo
In
sequence?
Azure, I need to create two servers. Understood? So we need to create those servers in the same storage account, which is there right now. Understood? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, I'm listening. I'm
I'm
observing.
getting a lot of sound from your
Yeah, yeah,
this thing.
yeah. Actually, now it is clear.
No, it's clear. So I'm going to create two virtual machine before doing this. Why? Because we require register server. We require a sync group to be created for those server. Understood? So this sync group is going to access my physical premises server, server 1 and server 2. Understood? So what I will do, I have here PPT also, I will show you. That is important. So here I have that PPT. That's very important. Everything is there on the PPT. You can easily create the things while using PPT only. With your file sync updated. So here, after this, here, see here Azure file sync, then Azure file sync you have use, then create. Huh? So I created Azure file sync now by using this deploying. Then I can go to that Azure file sync where I created in the resource group. Hmm? I'll create a sync group. In sync group, I need to create a endpoint. Hmm? I need to create an endpoint. So cloud point properties here, you can say here. So it will show the endpoint like this, cloud point like that. Hmm? So I need to go to the first sync services. So this is my sync services.
No, no. Actually, these sync services will be installed. Demo sync, what you have created, it will be mapped to the storage account of the Azure, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. And
So
with,
means
after creating the demo sync file share, then you are creating a
uh,
group for those.
yes, yes. See now what I'm going to show you. So now I need to create a two virtual machines here first. Understood? On the same storage account. First we'll do
Mm,
that one. Then it will be clear because that those servers are going to use as a your sync group.
mm.
Understood? So I'll just close this first. क्या हो रहा है ये वर्चुअल मशीन्स में जाऊंगा अभी सबसे पहले दो वर्चुअल मशीन्स क्रिएट करूंगा सो जस्ट टू क्रिएट अ टू वर्चुअल मशीन्स so I'll use the sync group resource. Here I will give server 1. Also I will give here. Why I'm giving the server 1? Because the server 1 is in my on-premises also. The same data I need to provide here. So here no need to provide that. I will just use now 2016 data center, and by using the for example I will put my name on this. I can say cloud admin, that will be more better. Capital A double dollar W zero RD at 123. C capital A double dollar W zero RD at, so just allow two machines SCTP RDP and next disk. Here in disk we have to use unmanaged disk in advance. So you can use manage disk, no. So now you can just use the fsync RG disk. This is my disk, right? The storage. Hmm. So I'm using that one only.
No, no. F storage disk, it is coming from where?
Hmm. So which I have a storage account.
Right, 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 right.
Understood from there. So I'm just accessing that one from here. Next.
The which is synced with your system, right?
Yes, 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 yes. That is what. So then click next. Next. So you can put, otherwise you can put the tag for cloud server one. Create. Here, what is given here? You can open that FS in a resource group. Then click sync group. On that, you have to create a cloud plan properties. Okay. So now I'm going to do that. So before I thought that to create two servers. Oh, okay, let's enough. One server is also enough. It's not for two servers because same thing you can go for more than one server. It is one server. If you create also the same thing will happen. If you connect in two server, because when you connect a one server, you can just register that server. You have to register that server with offline with online. So this server will directly going to contact that cloud server. And that is the reason we are registering. The purpose of registering is what? So whatever the data we put in a base machine, that is going to stick in a cloud virtual machines. Yeah, register should be must. So register can only happen when install Azure agent storage agent file software. So it will create a, it will only allow to register. It will allow to only sync that particular on-premises server to cloud server, and that's not chargeable. No, no, that's not chargeable. You can use maximum you can use two server free. If you more than two if you putting, that will be charged. Because I'm using my internet, I think I need to use different connectivity, right? Eh? From the phone, this is giving slow, very slow. I'll just change the connectivity, right? Connect automatically. It was disconnected again, actually. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, server one is creating. Okay, so let it be create. So now I can go for Azure file sync, demo sync triple one. That is Okay, now you can click this sync group. When you click a sync group, so sync group name you can put. So you can put the name mm, AZFS sync. Mm. Then select the storage account. Uh, select the storage account. What is that? Yes, this is only right. Is storage one? Yes. Mm. So we just created. Do you want to give the share name? You can just select the share name is selected, which we selected already. Understood? Which we created the share name for this. Then click create. Okay, once sync is created, now the important thing is what we need to create a registered server of. So we need to create Azure file sync agent software. We need to install. The next thing is, so I will install Azure file sync. Hmm? It's a local installation. Local installation on my system, or I need to install on that VM. So currently I don't suggest to go for that VM because what will happen? It will give an error because it is in different remote system, no. So it will not allow to sync. It will allow only now existing system only. So what I will do in my own system only I will do as a server one. Understood? I'll show that one. Understood? So Azure file sync license, you just click all the things, just MSI 16 for okay. This is 64 bit 2012 R2 for that. Okay, we have 2012 R2 only. Okay. Next, I have already this storage account. Let me check. This for 2012 R2, right? So I'll just open this. So already I have, I think, this software. Yes, I have already here Azure storage account. So just run this software. What will happen when you install this Azure storage agent? It will ask the storage group name, it will ask the resource group name, it will ask the file server name. So it will take that. Through that only it will try to sync only. It's already there installed. Just repair it, I will do it. Because I already done this on this system, right? That's the reason. So after that we need to create a this one. add and remove endpoints and all. We need to just check the cloud points. We need to create a cloud tiering. Cloud tiering is also there. In cloud tiering, what you're going to do? So you're just giving the space for the sync servers. First of all, we need to sync the server. That's very important. So when you click register server, no, when you're doing this, that the server name will come here. Understood? That's the reason I use my physical machine. When I install this software in my physical machine, this physical laptop machine name, it will take for registering the server. Understood? Then whatever that I've used one folder on my machine. The same folder, uh, I will sync to that particular sync server. So that file will be present on that storage account on the cloud. Means you are syncing your physical premises data to your cloud servers. Any OS, no issues. You can use two, but it is only compatibility on 2012 R2. It started from Azure File Server Sync supports 2012 R2, 2016, 2019. It doesn't support 2012 and 2008 R2. About 2012 R2,
What
yes.
about Linux, Ubuntu, and SUSE?
It supports all that. Huh? It doesn't support 2008 R2. No, it doesn't support. The minimum requirement in 2012 R2. And it supports Linux 7.1. Latest version of Ubuntu, latest version of CentOS, latest version of Linux, it will support. Understood? It will not support older version of Linux, older of CentOS. No, before 2018, 2017, any Linux is there. Before 2017, something Linux or CentOS, any OS, it doesn't support. After 2008, it is introduced in AZ100 because of this AZ300 actually. It's a part of AZ300 actually. Understood? So this AZ300 was came up to the 19 they introduced this one. Understood? So I need to restart, man. That is the only the. Yeah, but my account will be there. Nothing will happen for account. We have to restart. Otherwise, it will not reconfigure